Tapos na pala. Knife. Okay, knife. Okay. Lay, maraming salamat, Lay, ha? Kanta-kanta lang. O, yun ang isang oras, 1 hour and 19 minutes na kagad. Ang bilis ng oras ng alaga. Dear Charo. Chukit-chukit. Ay, sakit-sakit. Okay, thank you so much sa inyo, guys. Okay. Dear Charot. Okay. Mads. You touch my life with a softness. Sir Oscar, in tonight. My wish was your command until you went out of love. Tell myself I'm free. Got the chance of living just for me. No need to hear it all. Now that you're gone, dear Charo, cuts like a knife. How will I ever live? I'm so deeply wounded. Cuts like a knife. You cut away the heart of my life. When Tugang ang heart pretend. Where a smile to fool my dearest friend. I wonder if they know it's just a show. I'm on the stage. Day and night, I go through my terrain. But how can I disguise what's in my eyes? Tugang Anhar, shout out Tugang, thank you so much. Night, that's like a night. How will I ever heal? I'm so deeply wounded. Cuts like a knife. You cut away the heart of my life. When oh, 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 I try, love it all, the pain I feel inside, the pain of wanting you. Night cuts like a knife. How will I ever heal? I'm so deeply wounded. Night cuts like a knife. Tama-tama lang talaga yung aking ano. Ay, shout out sa lahat. Thank you so much po. Yahoo! Maraming salamat. Beautiful song. Manisha Alper, Rom, sa Boy Manila Cry. Tugang Anhart, maraming salamat. And of course, sino pa rin ito? Si Darren. Mahal sa mga nakabili sa atin, guys. Thank you so much po, ha. Lay.
全新巴黎莱雅青春密码22倍修护力，秒弹嫩，缩毛孔更发光。
Ano, sa state of mind, okay.